Conversar também sa outro coisa muito lugar em todo caso de sábado a 26 Mr. Ziggy, Ziggy, what's up, man? How you doing,
I'm
man?
cool, man. I'm cool. Doing my thing, brother. Good to be back on here again.
Hey, good to be back, man.
Yeah.
How's it going, man? How's it going?
Drug, but positive, bro.
Drug.
Yeah. Musically, we ready, so you know, I ain't worried about that. The show, musical-wise, with the band, we completamente good to go. Business-wise is busy, you know, hectic, a lot going on.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So, like I was just mentioning off the air as well, so we do get people that are asking, there's not many reggae events during the year.
Yeah.
So this is the ultimate.
Well, that's perfect, bro. If
one.
that's what you're asking for, then, you know, this is your chance to come out and experience it for real, you know, so perfect, bro.
Ambiente.
Yeah.
Ziggy, what can we expect from you in this case for the performance this Saturday?
You're getting my complete performance with my band, of course, from Aruba the Nyamari, which I've been working on since February. So it's been 6 months of preparing these musicians for this show. So it's well put together, you know. So come out to check out something special. Obviously, I got Awa on the thing too. I got Lightskin with Roots Eye Rhythm, DJ Sky. So we're gonna make a whole vibe out of it Saturday night, man. No doubt. Yeah.
For the ones that are not aware, the Nyamari is your local
It's
band.
my band. Yeah. My band, full Arubiano.
Wow.
Yeah. Something special. Come and check it out. I think, you know, you're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna hear something different than what you would expect, I think.
Awesome. Nós temos também junto conosco, nós temos brado aqui também, Lightskin e também Awaras. Que tem comigo, mano, gosta?
Bless up, não stay.
Hoje, vamos começar com Awaras aqui, né? Awaras, que tem comigo, mano, gosta?
Amitei completo, mas
Que que te lo conosco perspectiva também de sábado, pessoal. Tu gosta vai tá boroto completo.
dime, uma blow.
Entre outros.
Ja, amita amabim pa ansende candela. Dus met de aspect kom met toch een tiki uplifting dingen show anto dalen na een tiki kantika na mas conocido met de antes met de karaoke fans die punky dance lo te contento dit de concert anto ja zet lo met de tres pa na mas tanto no.
Perfeito, significa que me sangue está pendiente para Punky Dance, Awaras mesmo, sobre vários temas tipo mesmo, que passa que a parte não como Punky Dance de caso que dá.
Sowieso. Met wij ben een combinatie de tour, een tiki Awaras, een tiki punky dance, met de fans dan contento, que on.
Master. Mas nós também nos Lightskin Rasta também.
Bless up.
Hey, Lightskin, que te kiko man, gosta?
No stay, man. Vou começar reggae vibes nang. Obtemos to para por reggae vibes, mane bosso bisa bore so. I want to stand a chance, so sta aprovechar de isso do show, no?
Pelo qual tá Roots and Rhythm is, postamente lingo grande mês de canção. Kiko te lo conosco expect também de sábado.
Hobby training din aqui. Nós tem originais nang, tudo originais nang de Rosaredon, ko hobby temos, vamos a mostrar nang tudo resto nang. E vamos começar a setup, mane par de isso não conheci. Anto ja pa sina tamo nos po si show tamo di Awaras tamo no, nós tamo da back of Awaras com Roots Redon.
Oh, girawa.
So, hobby training, bom vibe se din aqui. Nós expect Arubiano na bin support nos, vamos sabe, so da hobby training, hobby vibes anto reggae vibes, no? Mas mais de vibes aí para nos conseguir, no?
Esse aí tá correto e reggae tá género hobby gusta, mas reggae is such a loved genre here.
Yeah. No doubt.
Yeah, of course. So we have a lot of local talents as well. So and now ZIGGI Recado on the island, bringing the whole vibe, bringing the whole experience from abroad. So that's something just awesome.
Yeah, man, we're making something special out of it. Like I said, it's gonna be a concert, and also tell the people them come out and not just expect the regular show. This is a real well put together concert. So we're gonna show that even coming from Aruba, we could put down something on a professional level, you know. So I would say, come out and check it out, man. Experience this.
Yes, sir. Hey, by the way, me están putrando también una buy a ticket. Basicamente, por comprar via di pay.away, botin aceite para meu show, botin via di ZIGGIRecado.com. Tickets op de nieuwe Zitgo Adsaville também, Zitgo Boulevard, e para qualquer pergunta. Papotin também 565-0747, a linha de contato, WhatsApp lang, Papotimbo tickets também. These are only 50 florins, correct?
Yeah, the regular ones is 50, and then we still got VIP also, and we got VIP tables. So you got 3 options.
Wow! So basically, I would recommend the regular lovers, the true regular lovers, just get a table.
I mean, yeah, actually, price-wise, it makes sense, you know. So if you come with a group, you put it all together, then it work out nice for everybody, and you get a good experience. You know, you get a good spot. You're gonna be close to the stage, in an area where you could experience it nice. I think if you got a table, you get in table service also. So it's, you know, complete to if
Makes
you do it that
sense.
way. Yeah.
Of course. Ziggy, invite our listeners right now to buy their tickets, their VIP tables.
Yeah. Well, Aruba, all my reggae fans, all my ZIGGI Recado people, all my Cool FM listeners, come out this Saturday for a unique reggae experience. You know what I'm saying? For a professional, well put together reggae experience right here in Aruba. Myself with the Nayamari, our Lightskin with the Rootside Rhythm is really gonna be a vibe. We got DJ Sky on there too. So like I say, we're really making this an experience, man. So come on and check out the experience this Saturday.
Master, Lightskin Awaras, bastante. Invitaram para completo, mas hindi ka na por comprar tickets ang ipresensyar show completo kuting Jazabra Walk.
Começar, nós temos invitar tudo gente ng uptown, middletown, downtown, everywhere. Rich the reggae vibes, you know. We can't let them know reggae vibes is there.
Krumanang, ahora se den lugar. Sensiminia, Walter
Já aceita. Het elenco que também tem lugar de Sabra Walk, mas como já. Tickets hang op de nível via pay.away, ZIGGIRecado.com. Zitgo Azaville, também Zitgo Boulevard. Agora, busca por VIP, se botam true reggae lover. Busca por table, para o que remi, bonota pa. Bota bem, Filico e completo. Cita via 565-0747. Cita tremendo evento, ZIGGI Recado, Rootside Rasta Awaras, DJ Sky.